Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is considered the best solution for securing your USB Type-C connections, the OWC ClingOn USB Type-C connector securing device, specifically the 10-pack version known as the OWC ClingOn10pk. If you've ever experienced the frustration of your USB-C or Thunderbolt cable slipping out during an important file transfer or while you're working, then you know how disruptive that can be. The OWC ClingOn is designed precisely to eliminate that risk. It provides a secure hold for any USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 and 4 port where there is enough room for attachment. Whether you're connecting external drives, enclosures, eGPUs, or other devices, this accessory works to keep those connections stable and reliable. What sets the ClingOn apart is its clever design. It features a rigid plastic exterior that protects your connector from physical stress, while the soft foam interior lining forms a snug fit around your USB-C plug. This combination reduces the wiggling and pulling that often causes cables to disconnect unexpectedly. The adhesive backing is strong, ensuring it sticks securely to the device and stays in place over time. For those who want even more security, the ClingOn also supports screw mounting, allowing for an ultimate cable lock when used with compatible devices. This feature is especially useful in professional or high-demand environments where cable disconnections can cause significant workflow interruptions. Installation is straightforward and quick, making it a hassle-free addition to your existing setup. Once attached, you gain peace of mind knowing that your connections are fortified against accidental disconnections caused by movement or strain. The product comes in a 10-pack, making it ideal for users who have multiple devices or want to secure several cables at once. It weighs just 32 grams, so it's a lightweight solution that doesn't add bulk to your gear. Plus, OWC backs this product with a 1-year limited warranty, reflecting their confidence in its durability and performance. If you're looking to enhance the security of your USB-C connections and protect your valuable devices and data from interruptions, the OWC ClingOn USB Type-C connector securing device is a smart investment. It offers a universal compatibility approach while delivering solid protection and easy installation. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and tech insights. See you in the next video.